my name is Kia J, and if you are new to my channel, I do videos on hair care, home design, and lifestyle videos. So let's just get into this video. So before I get into this video is sponsored by Smile Brilliant. They are a teeth whitening system. So I just got finished my Invisalign treatment and my whitening teeth treatment. So I'm so happy with my results, because not only are my teeth straight, but your girl got some white teeth. Okay, so what is Invisalign? Invisalign is a form of braces, and basically what Invisalign does is it aligns your teeth with invisible aligners. So I'm going to show you guys what Invisalign looks like. These are my last set of Invisalign trays. And basically I switch out my trays every 2 weeks. I've been wearing these trays for 3 months because this is my last set of trays, and you pretty much want to keep the trays in place. So basically the reason why I chose to straighten my teeth with invisible aligners is because I did have braces from the time I was 16 to the time I was 18, and in my 20s my teeth did shift. I'm 33 years old now, so I pretty much made the decision to go ahead and re-straighten my teeth because I overall was not happy with how my teeth look, especially on camera. I think YouTube is the main reason why I straightened my teeth, because I really didn't pay much attention to how crooked my teeth was until I would look back on my YouTube videos and see how my teeth look. So overall I was satisfied with my top teeth. So those are my top teeth, and I had no issues with my top teeth. The bottom teeth is where I had the issues, and that's the reason why I decided to go ahead and fix my teeth. So I went to my orthodontist, and they gave me the options on what I was a candidate for. And at first they recommended that I get braces. I was against braces, but braces did cost the least amount of money, and I only had to get the braces to fix the bottom portion of my teeth. So I did go ahead and get braces, and I was totally unsatisfied with braces because I'm a 30-something-year-old woman wearing braces, and it just wasn't for me. I had the metal braces at the bottom of my teeth, and after 3 weeks I was like, nope, time to switch. So I did talk to my doctor, my orthodontist, about Invisalign. And so basically what they did was they created a mold of my teeth, and I had to wait 6 weeks in order to receive the mold back. So technically I've had braces twice, and braces are pretty painful. Invisalign is not painful at all, but I will say overall it's more of a discomfort rather than pain. So my first Invisalign set of trays, I absolutely hated it. I was like, I don't know if I can do this the first 2 weeks. So if you are watching this, make sure you get through the first 2 weeks, because after the first 2 weeks, it is an absolute breeze. So the first 2 weeks, the reason why I did not like it is because the Invisalign takes up a lot of it pretty much takes up a lot of room in your mouth, and it almost feels like you want to gag every time you put the Invisalign on your mouth. So you have to get used to wearing the Invisalign. I'll actually show you guys what I look like with my Invisalign on. So here is my Invisalign. Here is how I put it on. This is the bottom Invisalign. And I'll finish the video with the Invisalign on so you can see the difference that it makes in my mouth overall, as well as how I sound a little different when I talk. So after I first wore my Invisalign for the first 2 weeks, I had to go back to my dentist. As you can see, I have a list. I had to go back to my dentist, and when I went back to my dentist, they added brackets onto my teeth. I no longer have the brackets on my teeth because I finished my treatment. But basically what the brackets do is it holds your Invisalign in place, because as you can see, I can pretty much take it off with my tongue, but when the brackets are there, it doesn't come off. So when you put the Invisalign on, it does make your teeth feel tight. You have to wear the Invisalign for 24 hours straight to get the maximum benefits, because your teeth are bones and they're always moving. So I would say I started the treatment around September, and I think by January I started seeing significant results on my bottom teeth. Oh, and also remember I told you guys I only wanted to get my bottom teeth fixed. With Invisalign you have to get 2 brackets on the front and bottom teeth fixed. So I do see a difference on my top teeth. It's not a noticeable difference to anybody who knows me, but because I know myself and I know my teeth, I see a difference. I kind of see that these teeth are they're a little bit tighter than they was before. Before I had braces, I did have a gap. So I always had like a really micro gap, like right here, and it kind of closed up my gap a little bit. So overall, I do like the Invisalign. I highly recommend it. There is another dupe for Invisalign, which is called Smile Club Direct. And as opposed to Smile Club Direct, it's pretty much the same treatment. I prefer Invisalign because you do have to go to an orthodontist, and an orthodontist watches your treatment every single time, every 4 trays. So every 4 trays I was going to my orthodontist, and not only was I getting treatments, but they also filed down my teeth. So these teeth right here, those were the teeth that had the significant shifting, and so they kind of filed it to make room. And because I'm done with my treatments, I will be wearing a retainer pretty much for a couple of years, just to keep everything in place, similar to how you would wear a retainer with your braces. So overall, I liked it. Cosmetically, no one really noticed. I think I only had 3 people ask me the whole time I was wearing it if I was wearing an Invisalign. So it's pretty discreet. Sometimes I did forget to wear it for my full 20 hours a day. So if you do, just be conscious to really put it back on. I clean my Invisalign every single morning. As soon as I get in the shower, I'll put my Invisalign in a cup full of peroxide, and I'll let that sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'll go in and I'll brush it with a toothbrush, and I'll pop it back in. And every time I eat, I usually either clean it with a toothbrush or rinse it off. So yeah, so I am at the end of my treatment, and now it's time for me to teeth whitening. So stay tuned so you can see how I teeth whitening. If you guys have any questions, be sure to ask, and thanks for watching. When you first get the trays, they arrive in this package box. So here is the Smile Brilliant. You get your molds, and in order to create the molds, you will use a base as well as a catalyst, and spend about 1 minute mixing those together until you create the mold. And here I am with the mold on my teeth for approximately 3 minutes, and once that's complete, you'll mail it back and you will receive your customized teeth whitening trays that's customized to your teeth. And I'm just adding the whitening gel to my teeth. And here is how I apply it. As you can see, it pretty much looks just like the Invisalign, really, a rubber version, but it fits customized to my teeth, and I left it on for 3 hours. So here are the results. To the left is my after, and to the right is my before. And I am hosting a giveaway, so make sure you check the description box below and enter the giveaway. It's super easy. All you have to do is enter your name and email address. I'll see you guys soon.